Thank you so much for keeping Leonard Skinner music alive all these years. And I know a lot of people have been here all day long. We do appreciate everybody that stayed. The last band went a little bit over, so we're cutting our set short. But we're not going to leave you without playing one song. What do you think it is? You got it, baby. And we're going to do it for you. We like all the people that made this possible. We want to take 1 second to get everybody up here that made this possible. Are you out there?
Come on, everybody, let's step up.
Are they? Hey guys, give it up for Mark Regan, his family, Danny, everybody, Ashley, Lynn Regan. You're out there, you worked hard all day. We want to thank everybody for staying. This would not have been possible without these gentlemen right here, and without his lovely family, Lynn and Ashley. And there's so many other people that have volunteered and worked. We don't have time to get them all up here. We ran out of time today. Thank you for staying. Mark, thank you for making this happen. Guys. So next year will be bigger and even better. And the reason that we are here is for the addiction to opioids, heroin, all of the bad stuff that's out there. It's even worth, if you looked at the news yesterday, there are overdoses all over this country. It is an epidemic. People like Mark and his family are making this aware. So next year, let's bring the numbers down for all of the people that are addicted and all of the people that have died because of overdoses and the families that have been hurt. This is for the children. This is for the families. This is for you. This is for me. This is for all of us. Please give it up for this band. Over here by way of Alabama, Asheville, North Carolina, Scott Rains on lead guitar and vocals. From Asheville, North Carolina, on lead guitar and lead vocals, Mr. Jerry Lyda. From Nashville, Tennessee, by way of Asheville, North Carolina, on bass, Mr. Johnny Jump. That's right, you heard me say that, Johnny Jump. That's his name. On lead vocals, we were so proud of him. On lead vocals and keyboards, by way of Georgia, from Asheville, North Carolina, give it up for Brad Durden right there. For all of the people down in Louisiana, for all of the people in Italy, for all of the lives all over the world that are put in jeopardy and our casualties, we dedicate this song to you, Maestro. My name is Artimus Pyle, and I am the real drummer of the real Leonard